Hey DIYers and all you fashionistas out there. I love making jewelry and I've been making jewelry my whole life. When I was a kid, I used to make it for my mom, and no matter how funky it looked, she always wore it with pride, and it made me feel so special. Well, today on Make Your Mark, we are making a Valentine's Day bracelet using tons of beautiful red and pink beads from John Bead, and we're making some beautiful resin sparkly hearts using Famo wood glaze coat. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say Happy Valentine's Day. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some Valentine's Day jewelry.
According to the Greeting Card Association, 145 million Valentine's Day cards are sent each year, making Valentine's Day the second largest card-sending holiday of the year behind Christmas. Americans began exchanging handmade valentines in the early 1700s. In the 1840s, Esther A. Howland began selling the first mass-produced valentines in America. Howland, known as the mother of the Valentine, made elaborate creations with real lace, ribbons, and colorful pictures known as scrap. Some scholars think that the Christian Church placed Saint Valentine's feast day in the middle of February in an effort to Christianize the pagan celebration of Lupercalia, which was a fertility festival dedicated to Faunus, the Roman god of agriculture.
I'm going to leave a link to John Bead and Eclectic products in the description below so that you can grab some gorgeous red and pink beads and some Famo wood glaze coat for your next project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling. And I will see you next week. Bye.